How are you? Oh, no more food for you. No more food. I don't know where you have food, ha? Look at that, so cute. Tingnan mo yun, Henry. Where did you put the food? Cat food. Oh. Oh, so cute. Oh. Papakit siya, guys. Gusto niya mapakuha. Na-miss niya si Henry. Look at. So adorable. Oh. Oh. A model. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my God. Oh, nakakagigil. Oh, gusto ko siya hawakan, but I'm so allergic. So, hanggang dito lang ako, guys. Hindi ko siya mahawakan, guys. And the baby. Andrew's not here anymore. I know you're so cute, right? You're so cute, and it's nice here. Oh, don't get run over, okay? Yeah, when you see that, you have to get out. Like there's a car, you have to get out from the roadway, whatever. Tingnan mo, Andre, look. She's a model. Tingnan mo. Tada! Donk. Okay. Ayan na naman siya. Tired? Are you tired? Tired na siya. I heard something. You gonna sleep there? What you do? What you gonna do? I'm sorry, I don't have treat for you, huh? I don't know where's Andre put your treats. I know, where you going? Where? Ala, pa cute.